We had our CDC certification for infectious disease response or viruses and bacteria. And also we have our FDA and EPA approved.
Rick, maybe you could introduce yourself. Let us know what you do and what's your specialty. What's the business all?
Yes, my name is Rick McGowan. I'm the owner of Metapure. Our company actually started off doing disinfecting and sterilizing surgical rooms, and then we moved on to nursing homes, things like that. Apparently, with COVID, things kind of turned out a little different, and we got into power washing also. And one of the reasons is that we had our CDC certification for infectious disease response or viruses and bacteria. And also we have our FDA and EPA approved. What we did is that when we go out and power wash, we're not only just cleaning up an area, but we're also cleaning up, taking away any bacterias or molds and things like that that can be health issues. And also some things happen with hazardous materials that can affect people later on. And so what we've seen is when we're doing that power washing, for instance, at a residential, when they're taking all the old shingles and things off like that, what we're also seeing is that molds and all that also grow on shingles, and different molds grow into concrete, and it could cause a really hazardous condition. So we usually just like to go in and do a finishing touch up to it, and we clean everything, and it kills all the bacteria that could be out there, and that could affect other people. And the results have been really, really amazing. It not only does that, but it also gives a nice, clean look to the home. It complements having a very new roof put on, and which still does a really excellent job. And then we always get with the customer or the client, I like to call them, and we have them inspect everything. Also, we while we're out there doing those last touches, we want to ask them, have them come out, look at everything, relook at everything, make sure we didn't miss anything, everything's good to their specifications. Yeah, because we really care for our clients and we want to take care of them, not only giving them quality, but we also want to let them know that we do really care for them and we really appreciate the opportunity to serve them.